Hello besties, I hope you and your families are happy and healthy. Today, let's make a pear charlotte, a classic French treat that has been created centuries ago, and I consider it as a real blessing. The ingredients are croissants, gelatin sheets, vanilla, soft bread, eggs, sugar, milk, heavy cream, and pears. So let's start making our cake. First, we take our cake stand and we place a metal baseless circle mold on it. On the inside of the mold, we place the soft bread we've toasted earlier. Then, we cut the croissants randomly to big chunks and we place it inside as a base of our cake. Then we place the cake stand aside and we peel all of our pears and we cut it into medium slices. After that, grab a pan, place the pear slices inside, add a generous amount of sugar, a big slice of butter, and put it on a medium heat until it reaches a beautiful golden color, then take it off. Right after that, we fill a bowl with hot water and we place our gelatin sheets inside and we leave it for a couple of minutes. Now we start making our custard sauce. First, we take the pan, pour a glass of milk inside and bring it to boil. Take it off and put it aside. Next step, we are going to separate the egg whites from the egg yolks. We only need the egg yolks so you can keep the whites for later use. We add sugar to the egg yolks, mix all together while on adding the hot milk we've heated earlier. We pour everything back to the pan, put it on a medium heat until it gets thick. We add the gelatin sheets that have been soaked for a while and mix it all together, and we add the vanilla and leave it aside. Then we bring another bowl, pour our heavy cream inside and whip it until it gets thick and put it aside. Here we are going to prepare a pear jam that is going to be mixed with the whipped cream later. We pour the jam mixture in the pan and we heat it on a medium heat. We bring it back and add the rest of the gelatin sheets and mix it all together. Then we bring another bowl, pour the cream and whip it until it gets thick. Add the egg yolk mixture that we've prepared previously and mix it all together. And here we have our custard sauce. We leave the custard sauce aside and we cut more croissants into big chunks. We bring the cake stand, put the caramelized pear slices as a first layer and the croissants. Then pour the custard sauce and add more croissants. Next step is that we're going to mix the cream with the pear jam that we've made earlier. We bring the cake stand again. We pour that mixture as a third layer of our cake. We place our cake on the refrigerator for 6 hours. We bring it back and take the mold off. Then we pour the rest of the pear jam cream on the top of it. We drizzle it with some cinnamon powder. Our pear chocolate cake is ready to enjoy. After seeing the final results, I can assure you that this recipe worth to be tried. See you next time, bestie. Bye.